In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your NorthOne online banking password. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to update it for security reasons, I'll guide you through each step of the process to ensure you can do it easily and without hassle. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the NorthOne login page. You'll be greeted with a simple interface where you typically enter your credentials to access your account. However, for this process, we'll be focusing on that sometimes overlooked link that says, "Forgot your password." Go ahead and click on that link. It's usually located right below the password entry field. Now, you'll need to enter the email address that's associated with your NorthOne account. This is crucial because it's how NorthOne verifies and initiates safe communication with you. After typing in your email address, look for the button labeled Send Password Reset Link and click it. This action triggers an email containing a password reset link sent directly to the inbox of the provided email address. Next up, check your email inbox for a message from NorthOne. Sometimes these automated emails can get filtered out into your spam or junk folders, so if you don't see it right away, be sure to check there as well. Once the email is located, open it and click the link provided to be redirected to the password reset page. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter a new password. It's important to craft a strong password that meets NorthOne's requirements, which could involve a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. This ensures that your account remains secure against unauthorized access. Once you've entered and re-entered your new password to confirm, look for the option to save or confirm your changes. This finalizes the reset and sets your new password in stone. And that's it! You've successfully reset your NorthOne online banking password. You can now go back to the login page and enter your email and the new password you just created to access your account. Remember to store your new password securely and consider using a password manager for added safety. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. Resetting your password is an important and routine maintenance task to ensure your financial security, so it's great you've taken the time to learn and apply it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful guides and tips. Have a secure day.